Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google or using your browser's address bar. This saves time. Type the target word or type define, followed by the word to trigger a dictionary panel. Once done, scan the panel for a concise definition, part of speech, and example sentence. Make sure to listen to the pronunciation icon if you need the spoken form. This first action gives you an instant meaning without leaving the search page, so you can move to deeper checks next. Once you have the quick definition, expand your search to understand nuance. Click synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences in the panel to see context. If the result is ambiguous, search with quotation marks or type meaning of followed by the word. This narrows results. Make sure to view the word origin and related searches for historical and semantic context. Also check usage examples and regional labels, so you know whether the meaning shifts across dialects or registers before you rely on it. To finish, verify the definition by checking one or two trusted dictionaries if accuracy matters. This confirms nuances and register. Once confident, save the meaning, example sentence, and pronunciation to notes or your personal dictionary so you can review later. If Google returns no clear definition, troubleshoot. Confirm spelling, remove punctuation or special characters, switch your search language, or search for the word plus context terms. That usually fixes missing results and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.